Those of you who know me, you know I'm about ready to drop the hammer. Now, those who know me know I don't answer core questions anymore except for when I can get sarcastic and satirical. And today I'm going to get sarcastic. Where can I purchase older LinkedIn accounts? Well, there are a lot of companies out there who hijack LinkedIn accounts and then resell them. But that's not the thing to do. The only people who buy older hijacked LinkedIn accounts are scammers, people who are doing phishing, people who are just, all they want to do is some nefarious crap, and they want to do it through LinkedIn as well as other social media sites. So there are people out there who sell it to you, but again, if you buy a LinkedIn account from someone, do us all a huge favor and put the word on the headline, in the headline or in the banner. The banner image would be better. In the banner image, put these words. This is a hijacked account. Please, 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 we all beg you to do that so we're clear that your account is a fake, that you bought it, that hijacked it and then bought it. Now, the other half of this question is even more ludicrous. We're a new business and we need these accounts to represent them as our employees. What I'm reading right here is that we're a new business and we don't have a clue what we're doing, and we think that if we pretend to be bigger than we are, it'll be better for us. Oh my God, that is nauseating. If you're a new business, the word business says you want to make money. The word business says you want to be perceived as an authority or someone that can be trusted and respected so that they can pay you. Not fake, not less than real, not misrepresenting yourself. Good golly. If you're a new business and you want to create a business that makes you money, don't start off on the wrong foot by buying LinkedIn accounts and misrepresenting yourself. Good golly. Because the moment we discover that you are less than real, in a heartbeat, people are going to start ignoring you. So if you're a real business and you're going to buy LinkedIn accounts to misrepresent the size of your organization, again, do us all a favor. And on the banner image of your company page, go ahead and put the word fake on there so that we can quickly determine that you're not real either. Good golly. Do not buy LinkedIn accounts. Do not misrepresent your company if you're a legitimate, serious business. Golly dang, I've got to go get some more coffee. I'm sick of this.